Hello and welcome. In this video, we will dive into the concepts of algebraic limits and continuity, and how to find the limit algebraically, and discuss what it means for the function to be continuous at a point. Let's begin by diving into the concept of algebraic limits. An algebraic limit is essentially the value that a function approaches as its input approaches a specific value. It provides insight into the behavior of a function as its input gets closer and closer to a particular point. Let's do an example. We will just write the limit for x5. As x approaches 2. There are different ways to find the limit, and one simple method is direct substitution. If you'd like, you can try it on your own first. Here is some relaxing music. However, direct substitution might not always work, but we will talk about that in another video. And this is how we write it, which means limit for x5 as x approaches 2 is 3. Now, let's briefly touch on the concept of continuity. A function is continuous at a point if three conditions are met. 1. The function is defined at that point. 2. The limit of the function at that point exists. 3. And the value of the function at that point matches the limit. Thank you for watching. Please support by subscribing.